This is a nice little machine, somewhat older. Anytime the tensioner is on the end like that, it somewhat dates it. I couldn't tell you exactly what that date is, but older. American Home Deluxe, Synchromatic, precision built, made in Japan. This is a straight stitch only machine. It does have reverse. This helps set the stitch length, and this is your reverse. The farther down this comes, the longer the stitch. So as you adjust this, notice this lever comes up, shorter and shorter stitch length until you get to 0. This is the adjustment for the feed dogs. You can drop them down and raise them up. This machine has a new belt and bobbin tire. Everything there works good. The bracket on this machine does not match in paint color. This was the way I purchased it. The motor does match. I've had the motor open and cleaned the stator. The magnets are beefy, and so that motor is good. Okay, so I'll show some of the heavier things that this can sew, but I thought that it was neat that this can sew some pretty light material. This is just tracing paper, and we'll do some of that. This is on the longest stitch. And reverse. Careful with that paper. So it makes a nice stitch even in tracing paper. Makes a good stitch. I will adjust this to a finer setting. Notice as I set this, the lever comes up. We'll go up to 1.5, what's indicated on this, and we'll see the smaller stitch. Very fine stitch. So you could definitely do a collar with that. Now I've done some stitching on this leather. I'm not exactly sure what this leather is. It may be a composite. I found this out of an old couch. 3 layers. This was that last stitch with it set very fine. Sounds real good. Now this is, I believe this is 12-ounce denim, and I have 6 layers of it here. I've already sewn on this, just so you can see it and hear it. And the reverse. Alright, American Home Deluxe by Brother.